Welcome back. So today I'm gonna do this eye look right here. It's nice. It has a lot of pinks. It has a nice dark burgundy color, and I just think that it's fun. Alright, so as you can see, I already did this eye right here. It's a nice kind of orange, dark orange. What is the color? It's a nice dark pink color. And it has like nice pink shimmers. I am using again the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette right here. I can say that this, oops. Again, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette right here. As you can see, I just love this palette, and it's pretty much my colorful palette, so that's why I use it so much. I am going to buy more palettes in the future, but for now, this is my holy grail. So now that I have the eyebrow done here, what I'm gonna start doing is putting on some concealer all over so it can act as my base, and then we are gonna go with the colors. So now that I already put that on, I'm going to set it with the color Beam from the palette, and I'm just gonna dust it all over. Alright, so now we're gonna go with the color MFEO, and we're gonna use that as kind of our crease color. We're just gonna start with that. Alright, so that's just gonna help us with the rest of the colors, kind of like blending it up and not be so sharp. So now that we finished doing that color, we are gonna go with the color Jax, and I'm going to blend it with a tinier brush, and I'm just gonna make that outer corner way darker. And we're gonna blend it outwards as well. Alright, now that we kind of have it like that, we're just gonna keep building up the color. Now that it's like this, you can go with a fluffy brush and just go around the edges, so the edges won't be that sharp and it will blend a little bit better. now that we have like a base like so, we're gonna do a cut crease. The way that you do that, you just take a bit of concealer and you are going to make a half circle on half of the eyelid. So start from the inner corner and stop around halfway. Just fill it in all with the concealer. And there we're gonna do a nice shimmer. All right, so it should look something a little bit like this. It's a little bit messy. I'm not perfect at doing a cut crease at all, but it will do. So now we're gonna take a packing brush or a shadow brush, and you're gonna put in the color right here. You're gonna put a shimmer, and I'm gonna be using the color Faint. So we're just gonna put it all over where we put the concealer. And now, since some of the color went to my darker color, I'm gonna just retouch that, make it dark again, and I'll be right back. Alright, so after that, I'm just gonna do a nice little cat eye and then some mascara. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, I tried my best to make my cat eyes sisters, but they became cousins. So we're just gonna go with it and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna sharpen this line up with a little bit of concealer, like that. Now we're going with a little bit of mascara. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be right back to finish the eye. and we're done. So this is the finished look. I'm really impressed with how it looks, how intense it is. It's a lot of pink, but I'm not upset about it at all. Hopefully you guys can see the eyes well. What do you think? Did I do a good job? Did I not? So any type of videos that you would like to see on my channel, just please leave it down below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye.